Hello everyone, my name is Koren Wentworth. I am an integrative nutrition health coach and owner of Your Path Holistic Health Coaching. I am here today to discuss a product that claims it helps with several health issues, and I am going to be trying it out for a while and then doing a review on it when I'm done trying it out, pretty much. Anyway, so the product is food grade Diatomaceous earth, also known as DE, which is probably what I'm going to refer to it as because diatomaceous earth is a mouthful. Anyway, so diatomaceous earth is a natural product. It is made out of the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms that have, I guess, been harvested, and they grind it up. It's a super fine, dusty powder. And you're supposed to drink it in liquid. So you start out small, like a quarter of a teaspoon. You mix it in with water, you drink it down twice a day. The directions say to drink it an hour before or 2 hours after a meal. And then you gradually increase the dose over time. So over maybe the next 3 to 6 weeks, I'll go from a quarter of a teaspoon up to a full tablespoon. So diatomaceous earth claims that it is a great detoxifying agent. It can help with gas, reduces body odor. It can help assist with cleaning out toxins from your blood, liver function, detoxifying things. It also claims to fight parasites, which is really cool. I mean, most of us don't realize we have parasites in our body, and some of us probably don't, but I bet a lot of us do. And they could be causing problems and we don't even know it. So I'm actually really curious to see if taking this stuff would produce some results in that area, seeing parasites coming out of my body after taking it for a couple weeks or something, because I've read a lot of people have experienced that, and I think that's so cool, and I kind of hope I see that. Anyway, it also improves joint, bone, and ligament health, which for me is really important at this point because I just had surgery on my foot, and it would be really cool to speed up the healing process on that. And it also says that it can improve energy and helps clean and protect skin, nails, and teeth. So that's really cool because who doesn't want better skin, nails, and teeth, right? I mean, I do. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I took my first dose this morning. I took a quarter of a teaspoon and I mixed it in with water and I drank it down. Now, it's really important when you take this stuff. Everybody says drink lots of water when you take it because it's dehydrating. It can work as a diuretic and it can dry out your cells. So when you take it, you drink a lot of water during the day. No one said how much, just a lot. So make sure you're drinking what you're supposed to for your body, and then probably a little bit more. And now there's also warnings on the package here on the back it's really dusty, so it can get in the air, it can get in your eyes, or you can breathe it in, and I guess that's really bad. So it says to use a respirator and goggles, and work areas should be equipped with adequate dust collection and exhaust ventilation. That sounds scary. But just don't breathe it in and don't get it in your eyes. And once it's in the water, it's not going to dust anywhere, so it'll be fine. If you get it in your eyes, flush with clean water to remove dust. Inhalation, remove to fresh air. So we'll see how it goes. I'm really excited. My husband's doing it with me too, so that'll be cool to see if we have two different, we have two different experiences, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll be checking back in probably, we'll say 10 days. I'll give it 10 days. I'll do another video, let you guys know how it's going. If I'm going to continue doing it, I probably will. Just give it a couple weeks, maybe a month of taking it every day and see what the results are. And I'm really excited to be doing this and to be able to bring this type of information to everybody. And I have other products planned after I do my review with Diatomaceous Earth to review as well. So awesome. Thank you guys.